Hello everyone. Today we'll be going through the automation testing task using Selenium in Python. This is task number 6 in web and mobile development task list, and let's get straight to our objective. So our objective is to check at least 5 pages and 10 elements on the website of the Sparks Foundation. So let's get to our code and analyze it. So first of all, we start by importing uh, the Selenium libraries and the time libraries. The time libraries help us catch up with the lag created during input, and then we import the web driver, which helps us navigate through Chrome. So first of all, we make a variable that stores the web driver of Chrome, which is here, and then we give a command so that it visits the Sparks Foundation website, and we make it print. We make the code print Open Sparks Foundation, and then we give it a break of 2 seconds. Then we find uh, then we locate elements using the XPath. Now the tool I use for locating XPaths is the selectors hub. This is a very useful tool in locating XPaths and recording step-by-step clicks on one's website, and it gives out a CSV list of all the XPaths that you've clicked through. And this is very easy to locate through the XPaths and automate, and this helps a lot in automating processes via Selenium. So these are all the elements that I have selected for the Sparks Foundation's website. They go through multiple pages, and when all the things are done, we quit the driver, which is our Chrome. So let's see it in process. Let's run our code. As we can see, it is clicking through different elements. Now that our code is complete, the driver will quit itself in 7 seconds as the code instructs, and it quit itself. So this was a task. This was a really small task, but it was good to do one. So this task was not from our domain. So thanks everyone for watching, and have a good day.